Well, we got another problem here. I just did a video earlier today about how to fix an adjustment on a park brake on a Bronco, but this old Dodge truck, this is not a big deal, but when these handles are in here, this is what you lift and move in order to release the hood because it opens up this way. And as it sets in here, this latch doesn't set normally horizontal. It's kind of lazy, it hangs down like that. So what we figured out was that the end of this, which is squared off, has worn off and come over here. This is the latch mechanism right here with two rods that this turns and mills these rods in and out. And this lever right here, and you can see the hole in it right here, is worn out. So when we try to stick this in there, it had a lot of play and it let the latch drop down. So I took the TIG welder, and you can see right here where I have TIGged this to tighten this hole back up. One of the things that we do, probably because I'm not any smarter to know how to do this any different, is we take it over to the mill and we start drilling holes in here, but holes that are smaller than the area that we want it to use to fit this until we get a hole established. And then we use the mill, we'll set that piece in here and use a size that is smaller than the hole that we have, and we start milling away at it until we get a real perfect shoulder. Now the thing, I'm not much of a machinist, but I know how to make that look a little straighter than trying to grind it out with a hand grinder or using a file, which would take a long time. So I did that this weekend on that piece over there that you were looking at for the park brake, just to give a smooth slot, and we'll do the same thing with this piece to try to get it to fit exactly into that handle. So when it sits there, it sits straight and it doesn't have a little sag to it, so that the customer is proud of the way that truck looks. Another example of things that we do here, we're always having to find ways to fix stuff. That's what we're doing with this. Barry Wilson's my name. Website is wilsonauto.com. I'm reminding you to go look at my website because I have tools on there that could be useful to you, and we have them listed under tools we use. I found that a lot of people don't really understand how stuff gets used or how to use it. So this is a bunch of stuff. I mean, it's not like it's real expensive, like a common test light that you would need to diagnose electrical problems on there. I have listed, you can get through Amazon, I think it's $2. So there's some stuff that obviously if you want a really nice TIG welder, the miller I have is like $18,000 or $20,000. But there's a lot of good stuff on there for you to look at in case you're looking to buy tools and need some advice. I'm Barry Wilson, Wilson Auto Repair, wilsonauto.com.